that's the end of section number 4. That one section alone had 851 board feet in it. And as you'll probably notice in the video, we had a heck of a time handling it. Boy, do we want a hydraulic mill. Out of that one piece, it's so many pieces I've got to list. 4 pieces of 2x8/16, 3 pieces of 1x8/16, a piece of 2x6/16, a piece of 2x4/16, 18 pieces of 2x12/16, a piece of 10 2x10/16, 3 pieces of 1x12/16, a piece of 1x12/10, 100 pieces, 52 inches for stickers, and then some miscellaneous offcuts, plus kind of a nice wide slab piece that someone might want to use for a tabletop. Thanks for watching, especially if you watched all 4 parts of this. The total for all 4 pieces from this one tree was 2,640 board feet. A very nice yield for, again, a tree that was not supposed to come to us. So thanks again, Mark. We really do appreciate it. We also appreciate you guys watching, subscribing, and it